everybody, this is Bonnie from Bonnie's Creative Place, and I am here to do another scrapbook for this month. And this month my class and us are going to be doing the Be Mine scrapbooking thing. Now, me not thinking, thought I ordered the whole kit, and apparently I don't know what I was doing. I wanted to order extra paper because I liked the Be Mine paper, and somehow I didn't order the kit. I ended up ordering the paper and the sticker pack separately. So I don't have the actual kit, but luckily a friend of mine had ordered the kit, so she was able to get me the directions. But when I got the directions and I got doing the pages, because I've already done 1 and 2, we're going to do 3, I found out that there is different paper in stickers and stuff in the pack, in the kit, than there is in the actual paper. So with that being said, some of my paper might not be the exact as the kit. So, and as you know, I sometimes change things up for the pictures that I'm going to be using. So what I'm going to do is I am not going to talk through this whole thing. I'm just going to let the camera play. I will probably fast forward through all the cutting and all that type of stuff, and then when it gets down towards the end where I'm actually assembling it, I will start talking again and not fast forward it as we put it together. So let's get started. I've decided I've already done number 1 and number 2, and I'm going to work on number 3. So I will say for a few minutes to just let you know how these kits work. When they come with the directions, it tells you the front side of the paper and the back side of the paper. Then it tells you what project you have to cut out of this paper. So for this paper here, I'm doing 3, and there is no number 3, so I do not need this paper at all for my first project. And then it does the same thing throughout. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a little input on how that works. It also tells you to pay attention to the orientation of the paper for the front and the back, so it's going the right way so that you have it when you cut it. It also tells you up here the scissors mean cut, and if there's a little dot on it, that means you need the back side. So for here, it means you're going to cut here along this piece, and then there's all these little stars after it. So you wanted to cut this one out of this type of paper, and this one you needed the front side of the paper. I hope that explains it a little bit. If you have any questions about it, just ask me in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I am back and I'm ready to explain a little bit about what I've done. And if you see me cutting and fiddling with papers and stuff. First of all, in this bundle, if you had gotten the kit, they wanted like a green background. But again, I didn't get the kit, but I had some of the scrapbooking cardstock that was 12 by 12 that kind of went with this kit. And I chose to use the purple, and then it had some specialty paper in here, and actually for this one it had quite a few specialty papers. The flower paper that they recommended was an exclusive paper for the kit, but in the paper pack that I had, they had this cute little flower paper with tulips, so I ended up using that instead. And then they had different colors like this. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. I'll pick it up a little closer. This piece here that has these green little swirlies on it on green paper, they actually have it in the kit as pink, so I just replaced it with the green. And then this paper right here that they have in the kit is actually blue, and I believe it's blue. No, it looks like a green. And I ended up just using this color, which is the Petunia Pop. So that's the color, the one I chose. This is the same. And yeah, that's it. So those are a few things that I did different. I also have different photo sizes and stuff as usually, so I changed them up. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these kits together on here, and I'll probably fast forward. I just wanted to explain a few of the things that I did. So let's get started. Now in the kit, it did not come, it comes with flowers on the sticker sheet, but because the sticker sheet I bought does not come with flowers, I did not end up using, I punched out some flowers with a punch I had and just ended up adding flowers, and I actually added more than what that shows on the paper. I'm going to get some little gems that I have, and I'm going to add little centers in these. And I'm also going to stitch some bee stuff around. And yeah, the kit also had an extra bee right here, but I did not have an extra bee. So I will show you. I'm going to finish this page right now, and then they had an extra octagon in the sticker kit I got. There may be one in the actual kit, but I don't know. So I am going to use this as my journal box. These are just some random photos that I had of my daughter at some of her school concerts throughout the years. So I'm going to put that on here. Another thing I did is on my sticker sheet, they have this extra, like, because this is all sticker, and they have this extra white piece at the bottom. I'm going to cut a piece of this, and I'm going to put this right here and do a little bit of journaling on this page. And yeah, so I'm going to do all that, and then I will show you pictures of all the photos and talk about them at the end. Okay, I'm back. Let me try to zoom out a little here so you can see it. Okay, I guess I'm zoomed out as far as I can zoom out, so I will try to keep you all in here and keep every sorry for all the commotion with the camera, getting it all straight, trying to for you. Okay, so I got this page done. So this is page 1, and this is page 2 of this. And like I said, I did what I would have with what I had, but the kit is basically the same thing. I just had to change up the paper a little bit, and I changed up, you know, my photo sizes. But you know, you could, if you want to do the same or whatever. But this is what I did for this page, as I explained. Then I'm going to show you the other page. Now, this one here was page 2, and I did not have, I'm just going to put this out here, I did not have the yellow paper in my kit. That was an exclusive for this bundle, for this kit, and I didn't have the yellow, so I chose these little heart paper that was in the kit, or in the paper pack, and I chose that. And then let's see, I changed up a lot in this pertaining to the layout, because I wanted one photo going this way, so I just added some extra pieces. I added this little strip of something here, and I had a heart punch, and I punched out some of the hearts in the petunia pop. So, and then I did the same thing over here. I just added some hearts, and I just changed up the way the photos were laid, because I had more photos that I wanted to display on the paper than not, but the same concept, almost the exact same layout. Then on this next one here, this is my youngest daughter's baptism, and it's funny that this one is also a baptism, but I did not do it the exact same way, because I had different photos, different angles, and so I changed it up for my photos. So I added more photos over here and just took out squares where I didn't want them to be. And everything else is laid out, like the title's in the same place, the B, and I just moved this over here instead of over here on the paper. So I just changed the layout and took stuff out. Here I didn't take squares out like I did behind these ones. I just added the photo on top of the squares. I thought it looked better that way. Now on this side, it's the same type of a layout that they have here. It's just that I didn't want my photos as small as they wanted theirs. So I cut my photos to 4x4, or no, let me measure that. I cut my photos, because I had them at 4x4, I think, and then I cut them down. Yes, I cut my photos 3.5 by 3.5, and then I cut my paper at 4.5 by 4.5. And then this paper, I cut the same, the white paper is the same thing as theirs. I just left they have a bigger border on the white, and I just have a less border on the white. So that's all I did different for the first page. Not a whole lot different. Yeah. And I had a little bit different paper because here on this one they had blue striped paper. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but they had this blue striped paper, and I didn't have that because, again, that paper was exclusive to the kit. But I used this other striped paper that I have. I really love these kits. I hope you guys are enjoying me sharing these with you. I just figured I'm doing them. I'd like to share a little bit with you guys. The kits, I think, because I'm so far behind on my scrapbooking, I feel like the kits are helping me get caught up and everything. So I really like that. If you guys are interested in wanting to order any of the scrapbooking kits, they have an online brochure that you can look at all the different kits they have. Now, I did order this new one. I did order this new kit, Everyday You and Me. And this is how I ordered my Halloween, and this is how I ordered my Christmas. Like I said, I do not know what I did when I ordered the B one. But I wasn't going to order the kit again when I already had all the paper and stuff. I don't know how I screwed it up. My brain must have been thinking something different. I don't know. So this is what my class is going to do this month here in 2 weeks. We're going to be doing the B class. They're going to do it according to the kit because they all had to buy the kit. And then this here is going to be next month's class, Everyday You and Me. And I'm going to be doing this, and I will do this according to the page layout. So that will be a lot of fun. I might change up the photo mats a little bit, like I always do, because if they don't fit my photos the way they have theirs orientated, then I switched them up. So, okay, so that is everything, guys. Thanks for hanging out. I hope you enjoyed the Bee scrapbooking kit, and let me know. Leave a message in the comment below. Like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. Bye-bye.